Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Lofty CRM for real estate. Lofty CRM, previously known as Chime, is a powerful all-in-one real estate CRM designed to help agents, teams, and brokerages manage leads, automate follow-ups, market their listings, and grow their business. What makes Lofty stand out is its blend of smart automation, AI-powered tools, and user-friendly design that fits well into the daily workflow of any real estate professional. To get started, you'll need to sign up for a Lofty account. Once you're in, the dashboard will show you a snapshot of your lead activity, task appointments, and recent communications. Everything is organized in panels so you can quickly understand what needs your attention that day. Now, the heart of Lofty is its smart CRM where all your contacts live. You can import leads manually, sync your resources like Zillow or Realtor.com, or automatically capture lead from your website and social media campaigns. Each lead has detailed profile including contact info, lead source, activity history, notes, and property preferences. To keep leads engaged, Lofty uses smart plans. There are automated workflows that combine emails, texts, calls, and reminders to follow up consistently. You can use built-in templates or create your own, with timing tailored to buyer or seller behavior. If a lead opens an email or visits a listing, the system can automatically adjust the plan. Another core feature is the AI assistance. This chatbot engages with leads by text or chat when they first register, answering basic questions and gathering intent. The AI can even carry on conversations and notify agents when a lead becomes hot, saving you time and improving conversion rates. Lofty's ITX integrated websites let you build your own real estate site that shows MLS listings in real time. Leads can search homes, save favorites, and ask questions directly from your site, and all that behavior gets tracked in the CRM for smarter follow-up. There's also a built-in marketing center for creating landing pages, running Facebook and Google ads, and sending out email newsletters. You can build multi-step ad funnels, target specific zip codes, and track ROE, all without needing to use another tool. For managing transactions, Lofty offers task and pipeline tools that show where each deal stands. You can create custom stages like pre-approval, offer send, or in escrow and assign tasks with deadlines so nothing slips through the cracks. If you're working in a team or brokerage, you can use role-based access to control what agents and admins can see. There's also agent performance tracking so managers can measure all activity, lead response time, and conversion rates. Lofty has a mobile app so you can do everything on the go, respond to leads, schedule appointments, view listings, and update notes directly from your phone. Lofty includes behavioral automation, which goes beyond basic follow-ups. It tracks every lead's interactions like viewing listings, favoriting properties, or returning to the website, and then adjusts smart plans automatically based on those behaviors. For example, if a lead revisits the same listing multiple times, the system can trigger a customized email or notify you to call them directly. Another valuable feature is the call and text tracking system. Lofty assigns a virtual number to your account that logs every incoming and outgoing call or text, keeping conversations organized within the lead's profile. You can listen to recordings of calls, which is great for coaching or reviewing important client details. Lofty's lead routing rules are also highly customizable. You can automatically assign leads to agents based on price range, zip code, language, time of day, or resource. This ensures the right agent gets the right type of lead, which improves conversations and customer experience. For teams handling lots of data, Lofty offers custom fields and tags. You can create your own categories like luxury buyer, investor, or first-time seller to keep your database organized and searchable. This can also trigger automations or filter in your smart plans. Lofty also supports video messaging integrations. You can record and send personalized video messages via text or email directly from the platform. Make your communication more human and memorable, especially helpful in the early stages of nurturing a lead. Another lesser-known tool is Market Snapshot Reports, which lets you send your leads real-time updates about new listings, price changes, and market trends in their preferred areas. These reports are beautifully designed and can be scheduled to go out automatically. keeping leads engaged with valuable content. Lofty also includes AI-generated lead scoring. This tool can predict how likely a lead is to convert based on their behavior and interactive history. Leads are scored from the cold to hot, so you can focus on the highest potential contacts. And for brokerages, there's a team accountability dashboard that highlights lead follow-up gaps, overdue tasks, and top-performing agents, perfect for team leaders who want to boost productivity and results. Lofty includes a custom website builder that isn't just for listings. It's fully customizable with drag-and-drop tools, allowing agents to showcase testimonials, create leading pages for special promotions, or run lead capture forms. You can also use SEO tools to optimize pages for search engines, helping you rank higher for local real estate searches. Another advantaged feature is geoforming and radius search. You can target leads based on specific geographic zones, drawing custom map shapes around neighborhoods or regions. This is especially powerful when you want to market properties or content to homeowners within a tightly defined area. Lofty supports strip email templates with A or P testing, letting you experiment with different subject lines, message content, and timings. You can analyze which versions performs better, so over time your automated emails become more effective at converting leads. There's also open house management. You can generate QR codes for sign-ins at events. When people check in, they're automatically added to your CRM with text like open house attendee, and you can trigger smart plans to follow up with tailored messages after the event. Lofty integrates with Facebook Leads ads natively, so new leads from your campaigns are pushed directly into your pipeline in real time. You can even set it to auto-respond with a personalized messages or SMS the moment someone submits their info. The mobile apps isn't just a trimmed-down version. It includes route planning, push notifications, voice notes, and a scanner to quickly add business cards as contacts. You can also manage your pipeline on the go, assigning tasks and sending follow-ups between meetings. Lofty also provides agent performance metrics that include contact rate, conversion speed, and deal cycle time. You can track how quickly agents reach out to leads, how many touches it takes to convert, and which communications method are most effective. There's a team chat system built into the platform that supports group threads, private messages, and even file sharing. This means you don't need a separate app like Slack or WhatsApp for team discussions. It's all inside Lofty, linked to your deals and contacts. Lofty has a behavior-based smart plan triggering system. This means the platform can automatically launch follow-up actions when a lead shows specific behaviors, like viewing a listing multiple times, saving a property, or replying to an email. These behavior-based triggers ensure you're following up with the right leads at the right time without doing it manually. There's also a feature called lead ponding. When leads go uncontacted or neglected for a set time, they are automatically returned to a shared pond where other team members can claim and work them. This avoids lead waste and improves response time across a team. Lofty allows you to assign AI tags to contact. These tags help categorize leads more intelligently by interest level, time frame, property type, or engagement history. So when you're ready to send messages, you're not guessing who to target. For video lovers, there's a bump video integrations built directly into the platform. You can record and send personalized video messages right from the contact's profile. This increases open rates and builds strong relationships faster than plain text emails. Lofty CRM also features live call dialer analytics, which track every outbound and inbound call, showing average call durations, conversion ratio, and voicemail drop rates. Managers can use these insights to train agents and boost outreach efficiency. Another hidden gem is multi-market MLS integration. If you're licensed in multiple regions, Lofty allows connections to more than one MLS. This makes it easier to manage listings, comps, and buyer researches across different cities or states, all from one dashboard. There's also multi-property alerts, where clients receive grouped emails about new or updated listings that match their saved researches. The system ensures no one gets overwhelmed by individual alerts and instead receives curated property updates based on frequency settings. Lofty includes pipeline forecasting tools too. You can visualize not just where each deal is, but how much potential revenue you're likely to close within a specific time frame, monthly, quarterly, or yearly. This helps you plan ad budget, team commissions, and hiring more strategically. And finally, Lofty's task automation via Zapier or Make allows you to connect with thousands of other apps. You can set up automated workflows, like if someone fills out a Typeform survey, add them to Lofty as a new lead with a note and a follow-up task. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.